What's up, guys? So, quick one today. I just want to showcase my n8n workflow assistant GPT right here. I built this one for the digital automation diagram school community. I've been using it myself for quite a while and figured I'd just let everyone have access to it now. So I'll put the link to this in the description of this video. You guys can check out the n8n workflow GPT. I also have the link to my school community. You can join the community in the classroom in the vault. You can find the n8n workflow assistant right here. So let's give this one a test. I'm going to provide a workflow. This is one I have. I just want to figure out what's going on with this workflow, right? So I can either copy the entire workflow and paste it or download the workflow and save that JSON file. Let's come back into the GPT and I'll pop in that JSON file right there. Just say, can you take a look at my workflow? So I have stored 20 different high performing workflows that I've created in the knowledge base for this GPT. So it has access to actual workflows that it can reference and pull from and find out all of this information to give back. So we've already got some strengths coming in here. We've already got some issues coming in here. Looks like I have a typo in this section right here. We can take a look at, and I can go find that typo. So just to prompt it a little bit further, I'll say anything else, any else. A few more detailed improvements. Right now, get memory retrieves all rows. We can definitely add a filter there. Data validation logging. We can do some of that. There's no error handling. Looks like we have an incomplete prompt. Want to make sure I get that prompt figured out fully, and some sensitivity issues here. So really good breakdown of everything here. Some areas to work on. Let's see if we can tune up this using the GPT right here. For the typo issue, can you elaborate? Okay, it occurs in the store memory node in the field value where memory is misspelled. Okay, now I can just jump back into my workflow and take a look at that typo. Let's go ahead and jump in here and see what we got. There it is, store a new Nori. But what's great about using this tool is I can just say, can you fix that and export the JSON for the node for me to copy and paste? Let's see what we get there. And here is the JSON for that node. I can copy it right here, jump back into the automation and just paste it. And there it is popping up. Cool. So here is the new memory node. Let's go check if that typo has been fixed. Yes, it has. And we can just simply replace this node with the new one. So obviously that is a simple fix for a simple example, but if you have more complex situations going on, having a conversation with the GPT to figure out what is actually happening inside of your nodes, providing tips and tricks to fix it, working on those issues, and then actually typing out the full JSON to correct that node. It's a pretty cool tool to use, even if it's just something you use very offhandedly, very supplementary. I use it all the time, just asking simple questions like, hey, take a look at this. My brain isn't working. What is going on? And we'll get some of those answers back pretty clearly and definitively. I've got all kinds of cool stuff like this inside the vault. There are a ton of assistant prompts that you can copy and paste to build whatever you want. We've got lots of AI agent instructions, MCP resources, nodes and modules to copy and paste like HTTP nodes. You can copy the curl or, just like we saw, the entire node to do some of these operations. In the classroom, I've got all of my automation templates, so you can check out all of my step-by-step tutorials on building these automations. You can also click into any of these and download the templates, any Airtable bases or workflows. And of course, I have all of the step-by-step tutorials building all of this stuff out. So I hope you find this tool useful. Feel free to message me in the comments how you guys are using this and what benefits you have had from the tool. I look forward to seeing you in the school group, and I'll see you in the next video.